Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E40, and now I can show you how to set up newbie share on this device. Cool. Firstly, you need to open your control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. If you can't see location services here, click on the edit button and drag location button to top part of your control panel. Cool. Now we have location services here. Enable it and fine. Now just find newbie share here. Click and hold on it. Wait a while. Then click device name. Here you can rename your device, for example E40. Change your device visibility mode if you have contacts mode. If contacts mode enabled, only contacts can see you on newbie share mode. If you will be hidden, nobody can see you. If you will use everyone mode, everyone who have Android device can see you on newbie share mode. Go back. Here you can choose data usage mode and cool. Now just enable newbie share and fine. Now you can share by newbie share and receive by newbie share files, photos, videos and others. For example, I want to share this image using newbie share to Motorola device. So click on share button, share by newbie share, click E40 and click accept on your device. Wait a while and cool, photo was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you.